Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000. We'll discuss their features, benefits, and help you decide which one is the right fit for your needs. Both Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000 offer excellent whole home coverage. Google Wi-Fi comes in one pack, covering up to 1,500 square feet, and three-pack, covering up to 4,500 square feet. The points work together to create a mesh network for more coverage. On the other hand, TP-Link Deco AX3000 can cover up to 6,500 square feet with its seamless high-performance Wi-Fi 6, eliminating dead zones and buffering. It's a great option if you have a larger home or need extensive coverage. When it comes to ease of setup, Google Wi-Fi takes the lead. With just a few steps using the Google Home app, you can create your network and get online in minutes. It also offers simple control options, allowing you to prioritize devices, check network speeds, set up a guest network, and more. TP-Link Deco AX3000 also offers a user-friendly setup process and includes an AI-driven mesh that intelligently learns your network environment to provide ideal Wi-Fi unique to your home. Both Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000 are compatible with various devices. Google Wi-Fi works with all its own points and can be added to any existing Nest Wi-Fi system. You can easily expand your network by adding more points if you need more coverage. TP-Link Deco AX3000 is strong enough to connect up to 150 devices with strong and reliable Wi-Fi, making it a great choice for households with multiple devices. When it comes to price, Google Wi-Fi is priced at $199, while TP-Link Deco AX3000 is priced at $279. Both products offer exceptional features for their respective prices, so it ultimately depends on your budget and specific requirements. To sum it up, both Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000 are excellent choices for improving your home Wi-Fi network. Google Wi-Fi offers reliable coverage, easy setup, and seamless control through the Google Home app. On the other hand, TP-Link Deco AX3000 provides next-gen Wi-Fi 6 technology, extensive coverage, and an AI-driven mesh system. Consider your specific needs and budget to make the right decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below which one you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.